Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Now scroll down again. Click on Font Style and decide which one is the best for you. You can check out preview above. When you're ready, tap on Apply button over here in order to change your style. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!